Hello. I have two books I want to share with you today, two very important books. First, the United States Constitution, as it was written for us, we the people who ratified it, the structure, the limits to government. This, this little tiny pocket-sized book is the roughly 4,500 words of the original Constitution and the 27 amendments that have been made to it. This is the limit that we, the people, agreed to be governed by. This is the Constitution of the United States of America, analysis and interpretation, commonly referred to as the Annotated Constitution. This is 2,608 pages that our government actually goes by. This is the Constitution that Congress uses to decide whether or not they have some power or can pass some law. This is not what we, the people, ratified. This is not what we, the people, agreed to be governed by. This is. We need to return to this and get rid of this. And just in case you're wondering, this can be purchased from the government printing office. That's where I got it. Costs about $120, and they ship it to you. And it shows this is every Supreme Court case interpreting everything about this. Something's wrong with this picture. Read and study the Constitution, like John Jay suggested, so that we can return and restore our liberties that have been lost when we went from this to this. Thank you for watching.